the lady, or the air by Maizo. And now, an adjustment na lang yan para din sa perpetual action. Playing a pretty good game, but now their errors are starting to creep up.
Baliktad na eh, di ba? Sila na yung nagkaka-error.
Huwag sila magtagulang dito, mga veterano itong mga to. Ito kaya si Pit. Sartin. Sartin will score the hard way. He has to go through the Ramos and the Guapo that time. Learn. Yung parang matitiso siya pag magsaserve siya eh. The Ramos. There's a mental violation against Perpetual. A point for the Air Force.
Another error on the side of Perpetual. The Perps.
Our first referee, whose name escapes me right now, ng kanyang...
Versado.
Oo. Pagtingin sa net violation, ang bilis. Hindi naman gumagalaw yung net, pero nakikita niya pa rin eh. Great attack there by Santin.
Smokey Versado is the husband of Lisa Paglinawan, who is one of the also in the Philippine history. Other call center. Bago pa man si Tina Sala, kasi Lisa Paglinawan.
Oh, Banggaan, si Semana, at saka si Resio, attacking is makatangay. King Pit tried to get it across. The Ramos on the It is now 16 to 14. Air Force all of a sudden turning on the Jets. They're up by 2. And back on the field, ladies and gentlemen. It is 16 to 14 right now.
Air Force.
Air Force talaga kumakayod dito.
Yeah, and Air Force, 8 attack points so far. Having 6. At ito na yung error na pinag-usapan natin kanina. Kanina it was the Air Force na daming errors. That's why Perpetual was able to win that first set. Pero ngayon tied up na tayo with 6 apiece.
And Argarin will see her first action dito, Mosi. Kailangan ng, I think it will be at the setting department na magbabago. So Laplap will sit down. Arian Argarin sees her first action.
Para maiba yung discard there.
Yeah.
Let's see if it will work for the Jets. Just that first play, Perpetual scoring 1.
People have got it down to just 2. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Nice serve by Totino.
Even Resio wasn't able to take that one. They begin.
Oo. Bigla na patay sa ere.
My chauffeur.
There it is again. Here's Semana now. Manzano.
Perfect spot. Back row. Smack at the middle of two defenders.
Again, Jane Manzano, they'd better make sure a lot of attacks there. Sila ni Maiso magkatabi na sa harapan. Jonella, Algarin on the set. Papunta rito kay...
Gonna check while it's on.
Sandra was able to get a break there.
And Diaz now comes in for their Thai import.
Jane Diaz, once upon a time serve specialist, reduced to that role right now with the presence of...
Pirawan sitting down now. Let's see Diaz. Oh, nice serve.
Ayan, kagalingan naman ni Jane Diaz eh. Runner from Manzano, that is what they need to do.
Manzano, that running head, cross-court, scores 1 for Philippine Air Force. Beautiful cut shot.
A credit has of course, to Amy Guanco, who dove for that reception. Still a 2-point lead for the Air Women. Argarin, nice set, papunta rito kay Piatita. Getting it across. Back there. Rebound, give it up by Diaz. Resio, Semana, quick set for Manzano. Emilio's there.
Another free ball.
One time around, do they go to Maiso this time? Yes, they do.
Actually, by the Philippine Air Force as they get that point.
Again, that is what they need to do. Go to Maiso and Manzano. Alternating pa yan.
This clicks. Look at the front line of...
Iguan ko pa sa harapan. Semana
The
to
Air
serve.
Force, punot-punot, nakatangkad na players.
Sandra. Pinalik ko makatangay. Beatriz able to get it done.
That was a difficult hit there by Piatida. She had 3 tall blockers in front of her.
So 2018. Semana. Maizo. Block. You can't stop that.
Nice at Maizo. They charge at this juncture. A set that they know they could get to equalize things here.
Talagang ginulpi sila nung first set ng Perpetual eh.
Gulpi di gulat kasi bilis sa barangada kagad ng Perpetual.
Argarin. They go down the middle to Sandra.
Santos once again scoring on the tip.
And now Sandra no longer in front, but Tubino is back along with Piatida. So Sandra de los Santos now to put it in play. Makatangay, Semana.
Oh, nice set. And Maizo responding to that back set. Wendy Semana, so take a look at it once again.
Wendy Semana has one of the most perfect executions of set in the game.
Well calculated
Naalala mo
set.
yung setter ng Japan, yung maliit na maliit. Parang ganyan pag pinapanood mo to si Wendy Semana. Oh, Tubino using the net to her advantage there. 22-20, di kita na naman. Baka mag-set na naman ang Perpetual dito ang record, ha? For longest set na naman.
Noel, pag nandito, wala na kami iniisip na kung ano.
Oh, anything is possible na.
Anything.
Kita nga sa Tears for Fears. Ibis na naman yan.
Oh, but Ami Guango scoring on as they now lead by 3. Needing just 2 points to take this set.
Kaya hindi nyo po nalalaman kami po ni Mosi kanina. Ini-introduce namin sa mga music of the 80s. Ayan, may nadaanan tayong...
Kalahati na yung kanta dito pa ma-recognize.
Yung sarap na another point there for Air Force. At may kita, hey, look at that! That's Ray Parks is in the house!
Why? Why?
Because he is pampering someone here in the Shaky
Bakit
Street.
naman? Bakit
Ganun.
dito?
Ano pa daw eh, kailangan daw, masarap daw kumain pag ano, ayan, tignan natin. Sino pinapamper? Sino pinapamper? Ayaw.
Kampi-kampihan dito, kala mo
Nasa
mag-isa.
practice yan ngayon. Nahihila-hila. Kalat ka rin pala yun eh.
Wala.
Ano ba?
Sardine at the serve.
Isang tawag lang pala. Ray Parks is there. They have scored 2 in a row. Air Force just needs 1 point.
So they need one good reception.
Yeah.
When the inside, anything goes for daming options na Air Force. One good receive.
And they got it. Semana now.
And they get equalizing the one set of Perpetual a while ago, so it's 1 apiece.
Lisa De Ramos able to put things away here for the Air Women as they take this second set, 25-22. Let's take a look at our shaky shake and play. Again, Wendy and Semana, their back turn to her receiver, getting it done from Lisa De Ramos.